Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai immigration in the context of this coronavirus pandemic or COVID-19. And it recently came to my attention this photo. We're going to go ahead and put this photo up on the screen here. It is a photo of Thai immigration out at Chiang Watana this morning. And as you can see, it's pretty darn crowded. There's been a lot of buzz on social media about, doesn't appear to be a lot of social distancing going on in this photo, and I'm not going to get into all of that. But the fact of it is, Thai immigration is really overwhelmed, and this situation has put a lot of strain on the system, strain that it's not really used to dealing with. And for those who are going to kind of get cynical about this overall situation or Thai immigration's response to it, let's be clear. At any given time, there's a lot of foreigners in Thailand, but not many of them are going to be using, for example, Chiang Watana or Phuket immigration or Pattaya immigration or Chiang Mai immigration or any immigration office for that matter with the frequency and at the volume that the immigration offices are using it right now. For example, folks who got sort of trapped in Thailand due to the border closures, due to all of the airlines not taking a lot more flights, a lot of flight cancellations have happened. Those folks who were in tourist status, they never intended to go to Thai immigration. Their intention was to come to Thailand, stay for a few weeks, return home. But now they're stuck here for various reasons. At the same time, there's a lot of folks that are in non-immigrant status, but they're using a multiple entry non-immigrant visa, and their intention was just to use border runs or visa runs to maintain their status. They weren't planning to go to Thai immigration. And then on top of it, they're dealing with their standard extension folks. And on top of it, they're also dealing with people who come in with a 30-day extension, or I should say with a 30-day Thai visa exemption, or with a visa on arrival who were never intending to use a Thai immigration office. They were intending to use that status for the duration and then leave. None of those folks were intending to use the Thai immigration facilities here in the country. And now all those folks are, sort of all at once. And it's having a tremendous impact on those facilities, just generally. And I do have to say, and I've been called an apologist more than once on this channel, at least in the comments and in various other comments on social media regarding what I have to say about these folks. But look, they are working hard. There's a lot going on here, and those folks are pretty swamped. So my hat's off to them. They are doing what they have to do to keep this thing moving as best they can. And unfortunately, due to the volume of this stuff, as best they can may not be the most optimal processing that we've ever seen, but they're doing their best. So for those who are interested, I've gotten a lot of correspondence from people that are not in an imminent threat of having their visa situation be an overstay. So basically folks who aren't going to reach overstay for weeks or even multi-days ahead. Now, if you're going to go on overstay a day, the day after tomorrow, for example, yeah, you probably need to be getting down to immigration. But if you're not going to go into overstay for 3 weeks, maybe hang back and don't go in too early. Avoid the crowds. The regulations on this remain to be seen. The emergency decree has given the government broad powers to unilaterally make policy decisions and change regulations, at least temporarily during this crisis. So we could see changes at the drop of a hat with respect to immigration. And for this reason, I think it is wise for people who are not in an immediate threat of falling into overstay, take a minute, maybe ascertain your situation, maybe contact a legal professional, whatever, and rather than sort of swamping the system even more than it's already overwhelmed.